The 21st century battlefield is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Among the most disruptive technologies are unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. These nimble adversaries present a significant challenge to traditional air defense systems. Enter the Locust Laser Weapon System, a game-changer in modern warfare, designed to neutralize these airborne threats with unmatched precision and speed. Unlike conventional anti-air defenses that rely on explosive projectiles, the Locust utilizes a high-energy laser beam to instantly incapacitate its targets. This revolutionary approach offers a silent, invisible, and virtually inexhaustible defense mechanism, ideal for countering the growing threat of drone swarms. The Locust's development marks a pivotal moment in military history, signaling a shift towards directed energy weapons as a primary means of defense. The system's effectiveness lies in its ability to engage multiple targets at the speed of light, making it nearly impossible for even the most agile drones to evade its reach. This capability, coupled with its precision targeting and minimal collateral damage, makes the Locust a crucial asset in modern warfare, particularly in complex urban environments. The Locust's arrival heralds a new era of silent, invisible warfare, one where speed and precision reign supreme. Its deployment on the battlefield represents a paradigm shift, forever altering the landscape of modern conflict. The Locust Laser Weapon System represents a sophisticated fusion of three primary components: the tracking system, the power source, and the laser module itself. Each element plays a critical role in the system's ability to effectively neutralize airborne threats. The tracking system acts as the Locust's eyes, constantly scanning the skies for potential targets. Using advanced radar and electro-optical sensors, it can rapidly identify and lock onto enemy drones, even amidst complex environments cluttered with other objects. This real-time data is then relayed to the system's powerful onboard computer, which calculates the optimal trajectory for the laser beam. Powering the Locust's deadly laser beam requires a robust and efficient energy source. The system utilizes a compact yet potent combination of batteries and high-speed generators. This hybrid approach ensures a constant supply of energy, allowing the Locust to engage multiple targets in rapid succession without interruption. At the heart of the Locust lies its laser module, a marvel of modern engineering. This module generates a highly focused beam of light energy capable of instantly burning through the delicate electronics and airframes of enemy drones. The laser operates within a specific wavelength optimized for maximum damage to its intended targets while minimizing collateral effects. The Locust Laser Weapon System operates with a lethal efficiency born from the seamless integration of its complex components. The engagement process begins with the tracking system, which continuously scans the surrounding airspace for potential threats. Once a target is detected and identified as hostile, the system's advanced algorithms calculate the optimal point of engagement. With the target locked, the Locust's power system channels a surge of energy to the laser module. The module then emits a highly concentrated beam of light precisely aimed at the designated weak point on the drone. The time it takes for the laser to reach its target is practically instantaneous, traveling at the speed of light. Upon impact, the laser beam delivers a devastating burst of energy. This energy transfer rapidly heats the target's materials, causing critical components to melt or burn. The result is a swift and decisive neutralization of the threat, often within seconds of the laser being fired. This entire process, from initial detection to final engagement, occurs with remarkable speed and precision. The Locust's ability to engage multiple targets in rapid succession, coupled with its pinpoint accuracy, makes it a formidable adversary on the modern battlefield. A defining moment: the Locust's baptism by fire. The Locust Laser Weapon System's true potential was unveiled during its first combat deployment in May 2024. This event showcased the system's capability to neutralize real-world threats in a dynamic combat environment. During a military exercise, a swarm of enemy drones was detected approaching a vital asset. The Locust was activated, locking onto the incoming threats. It engaged and neutralized each drone with precision. The sky fell silent as the Locust eliminated each target. This successful debut sent shockwaves through the global defense community. Directed energy weapons, once science fiction, are now a battlefield reality. The Locust's performance marked a turning point in military history. It ushered in a new era where speed-of-light weaponry holds a decisive advantage. The Locust has firmly established itself as a game-changer in modern warfare. The economics of warfare: lasers versus conventional weapons. Beyond its technological prowess, the Locust Laser Weapon System presents a compelling case for its adoption based on economic and strategic advantages. Traditional anti-air systems rely on expensive missiles or projectiles, each with a significant cost per round. In contrast, the Locust's primary ammunition is a near limitless supply of electricity, making each engagement remarkably cost-effective. Consider a scenario where a swarm of cheap, commercially available drones attacks a high-value target. Using traditional missiles to counter these drones quickly becomes prohibitively expensive. The Locust, however, can neutralize these threats for a fraction of the cost, requiring only a readily available power source. Furthermore, the Locust's laser beam travels at the speed of light, making it virtually impossible to evade. This eliminates the risk of costly misses that plague traditional projectile-based systems. The precision of the laser also minimizes collateral damage, reducing the potential for unintended casualties and infrastructure damage. This combination of cost-effectiveness, pinpoint accuracy, and minimal collateral damage makes the Locust an ideal solution for defending critical assets, protecting civilian populations, and maintaining a strategic advantage on the modern battlefield. As the nature of warfare continues to evolve, the economic and strategic benefits of laser weapons like the Locust will become increasingly apparent. Beyond the horizon, the future of directed energy weapons. The Locust Laser Weapon System represents the vanguard of a larger revolution in military technology, the rise of directed energy weapons. While the Locust excels at neutralizing airborne threats, research and development are rapidly advancing the capabilities of laser and other energy-based weapons for a wider range of applications. Future iterations of laser weapons promise even greater power and range, allowing them to engage larger targets like aircraft and missiles. The development of more efficient power sources and compact laser modules will lead to even more mobile and versatile platforms. Imagine a future where naval vessels are equipped with laser systems capable of disabling enemy ships or shooting down incoming missiles. Beyond lasers, other directed energy technologies are also being explored. Microwave weapons, for example, can disable electronic systems without causing physical damage, offering a non-lethal option for crowd control or disabling enemy vehicles. Particle beams, still in their infancy, hold the potential to deliver immense energy over vast distances, potentially revolutionizing long-range warfare. These advancements in directed energy weapons signify a paradigm shift in military technology. As research and development continue, we can expect to see even more innovative and powerful applications of this technology on future battlefields. A new era of warfare, the rise of silent, invisible power. The Locust Laser Weapon System heralds a new era of warfare. Speed-of-light engagements and pinpoint accuracy define this age. Traditional battlefield dominance is evolving. Agility and precision are now paramount. Autonomous systems and AI complicate the battlefield. Directed energy weapons offer unique advantages. They neutralize threats with minimal collateral damage. Their importance will grow in the 21st century. Silent, invisible power shifts our understanding of war. The future of warfare is awe-inspiring and sobering.